How do dominant and recessive traits explain differences? Have you ever wondered why some people have brown eyes while others have blue? The answer lies in genetics, specifically in dominant and recessive traits. Let's break it down in a simple way. Every person has genes, which are segments of DNA that determine traits like eye color and hair type. Each gene has different versions called alleles. You inherit two alleles for each gene, one from your mother and one from your father. Now here's where it gets interesting. Dominant alleles are like the loudest voices in a room. They will show their traits even if there is only one copy present. On the other hand, recessive alleles are quieter. They only express their traits if both copies are recessive. For example, if the allele for brown eyes is dominant and represented by the letter B, and the allele for blue eyes is recessive and represented by the letter B, a person with one B and one B allele will have brown eyes. Only someone with two recessive alleles, or BB, will have blue eyes. This is why some traits can skip generations. When it comes to inheritance patterns, dominant traits are often passed down easily. If one parent has a dominant allele, there is about a 50% chance that the child will inherit that trait. Recessive traits, however, requiring both parents to pass on the recessive allele for the trait to appear. This is why recessive traits may seem less common or pop up unexpectedly in families. This concept also applies to health conditions. Some genetic disorders are linked to dominant alleles, meaning just one copy can cause the disorder. Others are linked to recessive alleles, requiring two copies for the condition to manifest. Understanding these traits helps families assess risks through genetic testing. It provides clarity on which traits or conditions might be passed on to future generations. Dominant and recessive traits play a significant role in explaining individual differences. They control which genetic variants are expressed, helping us understand why family members can share some traits while still being unique.